Hello everyone and welcome to iKognitio. In this video today I'll show you how you can create a virtual classroom. Right, so to create a virtual classroom, let's go inside the course first. And then in the left hand side menu, right at the bottom, you'll see option called virtual classroom. Let's click on that. So this virtual classroom basically allows you to connect with your students virtually. You could be present anywhere and your students could be physically present somewhere else, but still they can take a class just by using their laptops. So now first let's go and see how we can create a new classroom for ourselves. All we have to do is click on add here. Then we give it a title, demo class, right? You can give it a description, first demo class. And then you can, if you wish to record this conference, I mean, let's say if you have 10 students in your course and today only 6 were able to attend your class, but you want the other 4 as well to see your class. So how would you do that, right? So you record this conference or you record this session, which you are doing right now. And when you after you start the conference, obviously, and once it's done, you can simply send this to your students. You will get a link and then you can send the link to your students and your students can watch it. So let's enable it. And then advanced option, so it has an option called individually assigned. So let's say if you do not want all of the students to attend this class, I mean you have 10 students in your course but you want only 6 to attend this class, then you have to select all of these and only these students will be able to see this conference, others won't be able to join it. Right, so now let's go ahead and start our demo class and see how it looks like. So that's how our demo class starts. It takes a little time before beginning. So now as we are done, as the session has started, now students would be able to join you under your class. So then it asks you what would you like to do? Would you like to be only listen to this conference or would you like to speak? So if we want, let's say you're an instructor, you want to speak, you select microphone. Just keep on doing whatever options give you, right? We test, click next, yes, and then we are done. Right, so now this is our conference first page. We can add multiple files if we're choosing this option. We can add a PPT. Right at the bottom here, if you can see this option, we can add multiple files using this. We can add a PPT under this. We can add a PDF file. We can add a Word file, an Excel file. All of these files can be added to this whiteboard. Then you can write here as well, right? You can draw multiple images. You can draw multiple icons here. You can type some text if you wish to. Apart from that, you'll see all your students right here under the list here. You can, and on the right hand side, you have an option to chat with your students as well. So you got multiple options under this classroom, right? Apart from that, the first option we have here is that says share a desktop. So if you want to show your screen to your students, your computer screen to your students, you can do that as well. Then if you want to switch off your microphone, next is if you wish to turn on your webcam, you can click on that. Next is start recording, which is already running, right? So we're recording this session right now. Then if any of your students want to ask you a question, what they do is they click on this icon and then you see a hand here. Because I have done it, so it shows a hand in front of my name. As another student will do it, you will see a hand in front of their name which student wants to ask a question, then you can ask them. Right, apart from that, we have settings there as well. So if you want to, if you have to answer all the questions, you can simply lower all hands, you can mute all the users, you can mute all users except presenter for yourself, and then you can lock viewers as well so they don't be able to do anything and make any changes to their screen. Right, so now let's go back to the virtual classroom page. So these are the previous recordings here. All we have to do is click on view here. These are all the conferences which we have done before. So out of few of those have been recorded. So if you want to see your recorded conference or you want to send it to them, you'll get all the recorded options here and you click on view. And if you want to share this with your students, you have to share this link with them. All you have to do is copy this and then you can send them to using the message from our application. So you see this is our previous conference where we shared a PPT, we did some typing and everything. Right, so that's it about conference. Thank you for watching.